So this is the bathroom shower installed. It has two settings here. You can move this or this. This one will turn on this one by itself. You can move it. Sorry guys. You can move it there any direction. I don't want it to let me ready for the shower. And then this one, it easily comes off. See, stays there. And then you have the settings. I'll put it on. You see, turn it, and then it goes on. You can have both of them on. But having it all the way here turns just this one on. When you go like in the middle here, it turns both of them on. See? That's a good power. Nice. Alright, and that is move this. Goes like that. The only thing I don't like, it does kind of fall out of that sometimes because I guess this is not, it doesn't hold it as much. So this is the material, guys. See? Nice. All right.
Alright, so here's the product on my shower. Great. It moves down and it moves up. Really cute. Waterfall, very nice. Had to put some sticky glue on here on this part because it just would not stay. But yeah. Here's the product. And this is the glue I used to make it stay. So great product, guys. Buy it and then go to Walmart and use a 5-finger discount and get this JK. This is about $14.99. So $15 some change plus taxes. Here you go.
Sometimes it's soft as a misty rain that gently touches my soul.
What it do, Jada Boo?
It cools the fire that burns in me and I simply lose control. So just rain down on me.
Yeah, I'm so proud of myself. There are no leaks. I installed my own overhead rain shower. Look, with attachments. Let me show you. It works. Changing that back. Do do do! Yay! I did it!
Right on up there.
It was real easy to install. I love it. It can move, twist from side to side wherever you want it, up, down. It's real nice.
Cause I'm good, yeah, I'm feeling alright. Baby, I'ma have the best fucking night of my life. And wherever it takes me, I'm down for the ride. Baby, don't you know I'm good, yeah, I'm feeling alright.
I don't even know how to fix that.